y'all? It's your boy BillyBob Reacts coming at you with another music video reaction. Tonight we're going to be taking a look at a newer artist. Well, newer to me. I haven't reacted to him yet. Goes by the name of Locksmith. We're going to be doing the song Agenda, the official video. And y'all already know what to do. Go ahead and comment. Let me know what you want to hear next. Share. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so you get all the updates to my new videos. And mash that like button if you like what I'm doing. And we're going to hop right into it. This is Locksmith. Agenda. Let's get it.
Here we go, y'all. Here we go. Here we go, y'all. Go. Can I kick it? Can I kick it? Can I kick it? Go. They say we living in a generation that's full of gentrification. Agenda-based agenda's a genuine indication.
Damn, you coming off real as fuck already. Hell yeah, damn. We living in a generation of gentrification. They try to make it to where certain things are only available to certain types of people. It's gonna be interesting.
Can I kick it? Can I kick it? Go. They say we living in a generation that's full of gentrification. Agenda-based agenda's a genuine indication. Picking back and forth about who controls the premises, but it's all stolen land from the native people indigenous. The remnants.
All right. They'll teach you about Nazi Germany and how, the Holocaust and how many people were killed, and they never talk about when we come to America and how many natives were slaughtered, which was a far larger number than the fucking Holocaust was, if I'm not mistaken. It's crazy, man. They only teach you what they want you to know. A lot of shit that actually happened in history is how we tell the story. It ain't always the same story all the way around. So they just tell you what they want you to hear.
Premises, but it's all stolen land from the native people indigenous. The remnants of irreverent is irrelevant. They justify the why through cinematic embellishments. Then we let elitists mislead us to buffer. Turn working class whites against all people of color. We suffer the same affliction through economic restriction. Focus on skin tone where they pockets of sense grown. It's known the black and white concept is just a myth. Until they can profit from it, race didn't exist. From the current face of a felon to the state that we...
I remember hearing Morgan Freeman say, he said, you know how we can start to solve racism? I'm not quoting him, it was something along the lines of this. He said, you stop calling me a black man and I'll stop calling you a white man. And you can just call me Morgan and I'll just call you Mike, or whatever the interviewer's name was. It's like, yeah, for real, man, why you gotta label people as black and white? Why can't you just call them by their damn name and leave it at that? For real, it's a start.
So skin tone where they pockets of sense grown. It's known the black and white concept is just a myth. Until they can profit from it, race didn't exist. From the current face of a felon to the state that we fell in, to the fabrication of bait after Vegas rebellion, it was telling. They won't stop till the spectrum is stretched. Till we see ourselves as one, we can never progress. Can I kick it? Can I kick it? Can I kick it? Well, I'm gone. Imagine if I came to your home as a house guest, murdered your whole family before the food could digest. Then waited 100 years to make an unlawful pact and put your grandfather's face on a baseball hat, helmet, and jersey. Early sign of a corporate influx. Separate church and state, mistaken God we trust. On the back of your paper deity, how do we break free of the superficially made handcuffs they hand us? Not saying dwell on the past, make them pay for my fall, but you can't expect us to heal and not acknowledge the scars. Back in college I saw the vast majority of the frats and sororities go in debt, still a master's applaud. No passion at all, depending on whether you act or you pause. Like we pay to go to school, to get a job, to pay for school, to pay some screw. If we do pay it off, we have to go to a therapist, try to repair the mental damage it caused. They want us to deport the Mexicans, block the Middle East, prostitute the youth, and shoot poor people in the streets. The fortunate repeat, pull your bootstraps, but the leather has been weathered, get tethered after a few laps. And whether you do act or fall back, it's still strenuous. Most of us know this, but the motives are disingenuous. This continuous lack of admission, why we rap with conviction and break our backs to close the gap that you swim in. Every rapper's opinion basically fair to them. them. They want to recite the same hype like a teleprompter was read to them. Not responsive.
Right? Shit, rap is all scripted, man. It's a business. And when you're in a business, you don't do what necessarily appeals to you, but what appeals to the people. And some of these artists are just taking it too far and appealing to shit that they shouldn't be appealing to. Mental health being a big one. Faking depression just to get an audience. Getting people to buy your records, that's pretty fucking low, man. People need to start glorifying the right shit and start promoting the right message instead of a poor message that's sending people down a bad path. It's a sick fucking world. Misery's money.
Every rapper's opinion basically fed to them. They want to recite the same hype like a teleprompter was read to them. Not responsive, I'm dead to them. My subconscious is lead brewing. I remember the time when we were considered less than human. 3 clicks from 3/5. People are quick to judge, still claiming that he riffs, but still, there's no way to unreap these. My family are immigrants, does that make me a subspecies?
Alright, that was Locksmith's Agenda. Now, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That was fucking, it was bomb, dude. For real, it was bomb. But I don't feel like I gave y'all the reaction you deserve on that one. It was, you might see a second reaction in the future. I wasn't ready for that. He came at me with a lot real fast. I was not ready for that. So maybe sometime in the future we're gonna react to this song, but until then, keep sending some Locksmith my way. I want to hear some more from Locksmith. That was my reaction. Y'all already know what to do. Go ahead and comment. Let me know what you want to hear next. Share, subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my updates. And mash that like button if you like what I'm doing. And we'll holler at you next time.